42. Yeah?
I don't think
Yeah.
That sounded like the Donkey Kong. Yeah. Oh no, that's Home Improvement.
Yeah.
The Donkey Kong thing is also like. Samsung unpacked a bunch of stuff at their Unpacked event today.
Whoa.
Yeah, that makes sense. First off, obviously the Galaxy Note 9 was unveiled, complete with a 4,000 milliamp hour battery and not much else to differentiate it from the S9 Plus. It has an available 512 gigabyte model that, when combined with a 512 gigabyte micro SD card, will make the Note 9 the first phone with 1 terabyte of storage.
Yeah.
So that's cool. Oh, you love terabytes.
Wow, wow, wow.
The new S Pen has Bluetooth Low Energy, so it can be used as a phone remote, taking pictures, playing and pausing stuff, even controlling PowerPoint. You can use it in desktop mode, the Note 9 that is, now without the DeX dock, you just need the HDMI dongle. Samsung also officially unveiled the Galaxy Watch, which runs Tizen OS, not Android, in 2 sizes with LTE capability and a multi-day battery. And also, Samsung's got a smart speaker now, the Galaxy Home, with 3 donkey legs that apparently raise it up so the bass can bounce downwards. Gotta get that bass down low.
Down low, down low.
Hey, I'm really sorry, guys. It uses Samsung's own Bixby. I say it that way because it sounds like a fancy butler name. Bixby, give me tea. Bixby, give me some tea. Anyways, still lacks a lot of functions, Bixby does, compared to the other cool kids like Alexa and Google Assistant. It's the focal point of Samsung's new partnership with Spotify. Oh, and also, Fortnite for Android has launched exclusively for modern Samsung phones, but it will only be exclusive until August 12th.
Yay!
Yeah, so you won't even get to play it on the Note 9 because that launches August 24th, starting at $9.99 US. Holy crap. You could,
I can still play it.
you can play Fortnite for 2 days exclusively. Anyways, you know what, guys? You could also get a S9, like a regular S9, and a Chromebook from Amazon for cheaper right now because they got a bundle. So use your brain, or don't. It's your life. Excuse me, we're filming.
Stop thinking with your dick.
Whoa! Speaking of Fortnite, which skipped the Play Store on Android and skipped Steam on PC, Discord is launching a game store to rival Steam. You like that
Boo.
yeah, that's a bit of a roundabout segue. The chat app launched a beta for the store today, which will feature a curated selection of games. But they're also adding a limited selection of games to their existing subscription program, Nitro, which currently gets you a cucumber, which currently gets you a number of exclusive app features for $4.99 a month. So now they're sort of a Netflix for games and a game store. The beta is rolling out now in Canada. What? We're getting something first? That never happens. Sorry you have to wait, rest of the world. We know what it feels like. And you know, normally I'm excited for leaks about upcoming products, but this NVIDIA stuff has just been too crazy because of all the conflicting information. So, NVIDIA has just registered trademarks for the Turing architecture as well as for Quadro RTX and GeForce RTX. RTX is an already announced real-time ray tracing technology from NVIDIA, so does this mean NVIDIA is replacing GTX with RTX? Are we getting an RTX 2080? Except maybe we're not, because another leaked listing shows a GTX 1180. See, this is what I'm talking about. It doesn't make sense. Also, Benchlife claims the Founders Edition cooler will have 2 fans instead of the traditional single fan, but who knows and who cares? I don't care anymore. It's too much.
You're not a fan?
That's the response you get. Although wait, maybe we're getting a GTX 1180 and an RTX 2080 together, like as 2 discrete things.
We're back to 2 fans again, you and I.
Oh yeah, you brought us back. Just kidding, I don't care, I'm over it. Quick Bits will calm me down. Brought to you by Memory Express. Another thing that we've got going for us here in Canada, an awesome electronics retailer that cares about giving the best deal. Because with their Uber price beat guarantee, Memory Express will beat any authorized Canadian retailer's price by 10% of the difference both in-store and online. Plus, they have frickin' sick customer care with 15-day returns and exchanges.
They take care of you when you're sick?
No, that's not what that is, the puns. So Canucks, take the Memory Express train all the way to Savings Junction at the link below. What about that one? That was a pun, kind of. And now, the Quick Beats. Intel is rolling out a 32 terabyte SSD about the size of a 12-inch ruler, intended for use in servers as it requires half the airflow as other SSDs to keep cool. 32 of these can be combined to hold up to 1 petabyte in a single server slot. But think about what else you could use a bunch of really long SSDs for. My guess is sword fighting. Acer is planning to spin off its gaming and smart device businesses into a new subsidiary, tentatively called Gadget Technology. I certainly hope that's tentative because it's also terrible. Go Gadget, bad name generator. The 2018 MacBook just cannot catch a break, as some users are now reporting crackling speakers when doing pretty normal Mac user things like playing with GarageBand or writing a Coachella memoir in the nearest independent free trade coffee shop. Haha! We got him so good, James. Nice job. We got those guys. They didn't see that coming.
Wait, how would writing a memoir make the speakers crack? Isn't that like a...
Security researcher Christopher Domas has apparently found a backdoor in old x86 CPUs that completely bypasses the protection ring model of security, giving immediate root access to someone who uses it. The flaw isn't supposed to exist, so theoretically there could be similar backdoors in modern chips. One backdoor to rule them all. It is as the prophecy foretold. Light the signal fires!
It won't help.
That's some old technology, that won't do anything. And Android police have stumbled upon leaked photos of a tiny Android device made by Palm. Yes, like the Palm Pilot Palm. With a 3.3-inch 720p screen and an 800 milliamp hour battery. That's very small. It's apparently headed for Verizon. I mean, that's one way to innovate. When everyone else is going with huge phones, let's do the complete opposite. Heck, I'd get it. Why not?
Palms up!
Hey!
Weak.
That was bad. Hey, that's it for TechLink, people. Pack it up. That's it. It's over. But like or dislike the video first and subscribe before you pack it up, because you never know when we'll be back. It's Monday. We'll be back on Monday.